Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix maximum number of attempts reach on TikTok. So if you are facing this issue and you are not able to log into your account right now, well then I will show you how to do this. This is on your mobile, not on your computer, because I myself did this on my phone, and in my opinion right now it only works on your mobile. So what you have to do is to actually check what kind of phone you have. I have an Android, but it works on both iPhone and Android, by the way. But if you have an Android, you have to go to your Play Store, and then in the search bar you just simply have to search for this TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any updates, you just have to update it to the latest version. So after update, of course, you have to also log into your account, tap on this open, and your problem will be solved after the update. So sometimes just updating the app solve your issue. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.